You guys thought, got you. That's for everybody out there who clicked on this thumbnail thinking I got a new truck. Trolling, gotcha. Everybody talking about some, what is it called? Delivery, taking delivery. Yeah, I'm taking delivery of my truck from my store. That's what I'm doing. So I'm taking delivery of my truck for my retail counter. Electrician is coming tomorrow to finish all this, but yeah, I'm taking delivery for my counter. No, I'm taking delivery of this truck, which I rented. I didn't buy it, I rented for my counter, for my store. So yeah, I would never buy a vehicle before spending money on income or something that generates income. So I'm trolling you guys. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Straight out of content. Hey guys, we're back with straight out of content. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm driving, so this won't be long, but we're headed to go get the counter for the store. Finally, we got a huge counter, great deal off Facebook Marketplace. So if you guys need anything, definitely check them out. We rented a truck from Lowe's. It cost about $97 total. Got the whole family. We're headed here to College Station to go pick up this counter, deliver it to the store. So, and then hopefully we get a hold of the electrician, because that's all that we're really waiting on, is just the electrician. So we're headed over here now to go get it. It's pretty cheap. We got a really good deal, and we're gonna try to get maybe a little discount on it if we get it a little cheaper. But either way, we got a really good deal on this counter. Wood and counters and everything are going for really expensive right now. So just wanted to vlog. Today is vlog 17 or 18, I don't know. Today's Juneteenth, so happy Juneteenth to you and stuff like that. So that's what we're doing today, and yeah, I can't wait till we get there. All right, babe, do you like it?
I love it. It's absolutely perfect. I'm so excited. I can't wait to clean it. I can't wait to paint it. I can't wait to make it, put my little touches on there. Did you get the drawers? Get the drawers.
Oh yeah, we got drawers. I didn't even notice that. Oh, schmancy. Schmancy. So yep. Cute. Come with glass on top, glass on the bottom, shelves. Yeah, perfect. It's perfect.
I think we got a good deal on it.
Yeah, definitely. I can't wait.
The lady was very kind. She has a lot. She was offering. She had a retail store for 40 years, 2 locations. She just shut down, so she has all kinds of stuff here. Yep. So in time, if we need more, we will come back. Yep.
So now we're headed to the store.
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna get some lunch, but we're headed to the store. All right, guys. So we are back in the car. We just stopped by Lita's. And so we just got some food, and we stopped by Lita's to eat the food, and she gave us a blanket. I don't know if you guys can see back there, but we put a blanket over the glass because we didn't want the glass to, we didn't want a rock to kind of maybe chip or fly up and then kind of chip the glass on our way over to the store. So we're headed to the store right now. We're still in Navasota. No, we're in Bryan, so we still got about an hour and a half to drive. No,
hour and 13 minutes.
Hour and 13 minutes to drive till we get to the store. And we're gonna drop it off at the store. And good news, guys, good news. We got news today that the electrician is coming tomorrow. So definitely stay tuned for that video. We finally gonna have the electrician, and we might make it in July.
We might.
Yeah, we might make it in July. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're all fed and stuff like that. Everybody took a potty break, so now we're gonna head on over to the store.
Come to Flashcustomdesigns if you want to get our merch.
All right, guys, we're here at our store. We're finally here at our store. As you see, I backed the truck up onto the curb. As you see, baby girl back there. So we're about to take it off. I'm gonna hand the phone to my daughter, and then she's gonna film us taking it off and put it in our store. We're gonna probably put it right about.
I'm gonna put it right here.
Okay, you wanna put it right there? So
that's what I'm saying. What are we gonna do with this thing?
Just move it.
Where?
Over there.
I don't want it in the way. All their materials are right here, though.
That's okay. I mean, we can tell them to throw it out if we want to. You know, at the end of the day. Anybody want a table? It was a massage table they used in the spa when this place was a spa.
Mama? I'm gonna try to move this here. Will it fit against this? Move, Mama. No.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go. It's right here, and then we'll put that right.
Put that right there. I mean, either way, that thing's still gonna be in front of their stuff.
Yeah.
So, all right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, Lulu, come here. Come here. Stand like this. Take 2 hands. There you go.
You said you got a plan?
Yeah, hold it with your fingers like this. There you go. Now hold it like this. Yep. And then make sure you get us. Get both of us taking it out. Yeah. Playing this. Got me?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
What is it called?
Oh, I'm gonna slide it.
Out.
Yeah, we're gonna slide it out. And then
So the reverse way of how we put it in.
drop it down, then swing it, and then pull it in.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, you said you were going to start. Am I sliding with it?
No, no, no. No, that's okay. I'm just doing this just to get this out.
Yeah, don't get in the doorway, Mama. Get
Here,
over
stand
here.
out here.
By the
I
door.
can't because then it just zooms in.
Huh?
It zooms in when I'm right here and I can't see.
How does it zoom in?
Like when I'm right here, I need to go back so y'all. So.
That's okay.
Oh, yeah, we're going to scoop back. And the doorway's going to be in our way.
Ah.
Stay right here. There you go. Yeah, that's perfect. Just hold it like this.
Hurts my arm.
Hmm?
It hurts my arm.
Yeah, then that's why I said hold it with two. I just don't want your finger in there. Want to go ahead and get this glass out? If you want to go over there in that corner too.
Can I sit on this?
Yeah.
That glass is sitting.
It's up to you. I don't think I had too much weight. I'm gonna go put this on the table.
Okay.
Oh, lift the glass. I know. Don't follow me. Got it? I got it. There you go, sir. Oh, yeah. Come on. You're gonna get down. We're gonna swim. I got it. It ain't going nowhere. It's too heavy to go anywhere. What's that?
So I'm grabbing it and going.
You want to take this out and I swim it?
Yeah.
using this.
Yeah.
Got it in.
Got it in.
Got it in. Huh? Yeah. All right, so. Oh, where's your phone? Inside? Let me go get
I
her.
took a picture.
Go grab her phone.
I took a picture.
Oh yeah, that's right. You can.
Oh, we can end it.
No, let me get your little picture.
Can I come with you?
1, 2, 3.
Do you have the whole thing?
Oh, now I do. And we'll take some with the what you call.
I took a picture
Thank you.
of y'all taking it down.
Ooh, I have my fingers.
So, how do you feel?
Same. Happy, excited, grateful, excited. I already said that.
Yeah.
Yep, it's happening. It is here. I can't wait to see the before and after of this.
I know. Yeah.
And this, all of it.
We'll definitely do a before and after of the table. I mean, of the counter. We'll definitely do a before and after. So
Yeah.
this is before. We're gonna totally refinish it. You guys want to go recognize it when we get done with it.
I know, it's gonna be so pretty. And I love, oh, this retractable thing here.
Oh yeah, there we go. Yep, that's how it's supposed to go.
I guess we don't got to put on. Anyways, this is it.
That's how it goes. Right? Yeah, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. We're gonna take some thumbnails. I already got my thumbnail, and
What time is it?
that's it.
5?
Yeah, 5 something.
4. No, it's 4.
No, it's past 4. It's almost
No,
5.
remember she just said it just turned
It's 4:30.
Oh, 4:30.
4:30, so it's 4:30 on Juneteenth. So, yeah, we gotta bring this truck back. All day thing. Gotta bring this truck back, and then it's nap time and get ready for tonight's live. Can't wait for the Jamal Charlo fight.
Oh, that's tonight?
That's tonight. I'm going live. I'm going live. I'm going live. So that's it for us, guys. Be safe. Be basic. Peace. Straight out of content. Let's go.